Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You want to build depth fast. Heat 1 tablespoon butter and 1 teaspoon oil over medium. Once shimmering, add 1 minced garlic clove or 1/2 minced shallot and sauté briefly to sweeten and remove raw edge. Pour 1 jar of Alfredo into the pan and add 1/4 cup cream or milk to loosen texture. This balances salt and adds silk. Stir while warming so flavors marry. Make sure the garlic is fragrant but not brown to avoid bitterness. Once the sauce is warmed, lower heat and simmer gently for 5 to 8 minutes so the flavors concentrate without separating. Stir in 1/4 cup finely grated Parmesan for umami and texture, then add 1 teaspoon lemon juice to brighten and cut heaviness. If it's too thin, temper a 1 teaspoon cornstarch slurry, 1 tsp cornstarch plus 1 tablespoon cold water, and whisk in. It will thicken without clouding flavor. Make sure to taste and adjust as you go. You finish by mounting the sauce. Remove from heat and whisk in 1 tablespoon cold butter for shine and silky mouthfeel, then fold in chopped parsley for freshness. Taste and season with small pinches of salt and a few grinds of black pepper. Add crushed red pepper for heat if desired. If it's too salty, dilute with 2 tablespoons cream or 1/2 cup milk and gently reheat. If it's separated, whisk vigorously over low heat or blend briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.